Almost housemates are on this one, oh, all white boat party, guys. You can see them spotted here having their phones, guys. No be small thing, no. The entertainment is high, yo. But upon that, there are little questions that people are asking because they want to see where Groovy and Phyna is. Guys, to be honest, I think they actually divided the boats because some of the housemates you're seeing here, others are in the other side, guys. So, but let me be realistic. A lot of fun, a lot of fun. Sheggz and Bella was just giving us the vibe. So many of them, guys. I mean, it was quite interesting to watch. Yeah.
Hi guys, hello. Guys, it's actually windy in Cape Town. Like the wind is blowing, and we're at the Life Grind Cafe. You see, here's the boat cruise. Let me show them. Okay, here's the boat. Here are your faves. Here are your faves, guys. Your faves are there. Yeah.
Okay, guys, you guys see that you just came back. There they are.
No, man, this one is not.
Okay, is that them?
I don't think not them.
Oh, it's not them. Alright. Is it the ending, man?
What about that one?
I think that's it. Yeah, I can see a little swag. Yeah. Yo! Oh my guys are having fun, man.
You will be bored if you didn't come here.
Nah, man, I'm with my fans. I love it, yeah, bro. I love it, yeah. Cheers. Cheers, cheers.